morning, everybody. Today is recharge day, which means that we are going to go get our laundry done, and then after that find some food and some Thai iced tea. You know the drill. And just taking it easy. We're going to be working for the rest of the day, and the only times we'll be going out is to get food and to get our laundry back.
Take me on a big adventure, baby. If we stay together, we can stay young forever. Where will you go if you could time travel?
Don't mind us just carrying our laundry through the streets of Chiang Mai. In Bangkok, there were laundry places all over close to our hotel, and it was super easy to get it done. But here we're having to walk like half a mile to the closest laundry place. There's some self-service places closer to our hotel, but then we have to hang around with no Wi-Fi for a few hours. And I really need to finish these videos because I'm supposed to start posting them in 2 days. This time Yemi is taking me down a sketchy alley.
Well, it's more of a residential street.
It's not this one? Just dropped off our laundry over there.
We went to a different one. The charge is a little less, but there's a separate charge for taking it to your hotel room, which is fine for me because I don't have to walk back here again. So this lady charges 40 baht, and the place we were gonna originally go to is 60. So we ended up saving just a little bit. But we're still getting the same service. The total comes out to $9, which is definitely worth it since we do have a lot of work to do today.
Now our two goals are to get some Thai iced tea and some street food. That's like the coolest little espresso truck I've ever seen.
She's just selling out of her van. We got Thai iced tea, but it has the foam on top, which we haven't had before. But yeah, let's give it a try. Yeah, really good.
It's Thai iced tea.
Thai iced tea. Yeah, I already know I like it. I always do. We came to a small restaurant near our hotel, and the food we ordered is 40 baht. I ordered instant noodles with chicken, and Moses ordered stir-fried noodles with vegetables. I'm trying to figure out how to eat with chopsticks because apparently I've been crossing them and you're not supposed to do that. So I think it's like this. Practice makes perfect. This is better prepared than when I make my ramen. Ooh. Needs more chilling. If I were to rate it though, it'd be an 8 out of 10. Mix well.
Mixed better. Stir fry instant ramen with veggies. Pretty good. Better than I make my ramens at home. Even though the portions were kind of small, it surprisingly filled us up. So I guess we're just getting used to the portion sizes over here.
We also wanted to talk about transportation here in Chiang Mai. In the old city, there is no public buses. So if you want to get around, you have to take a taxi or a tuk-tuk. But we've heard a couple people arguing with them, so they might not be very honest with pricing. So make sure to settle a price before getting on.
Time to get to work. After knocking out 3 videos, finally ready for export and being uploaded, I realized that I'm 6 videos behind now because I've been working on other videos. This daily vlogging thing is no joke, so I don't know if they're actually going to be daily vlogs. They might just like get published when they get published.
Yeah.
Or we'll do several days all at once. I don't know. We'll see. We'll figure it out.
But the content is still coming, so please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you want to follow our journey across Southeast Asia, and also follow us on our social media on Instagram and on TikTok.
Our laundry is supposed to arrive a little while ago, but it hasn't yet. So we're gonna go get food and maybe it'll be here when we get back.
We secured the bags once again, and we got the same thing we ordered 2 nights ago. It was very, very good, and I think we'll keep coming to this cart.
You just can't beat $3 for dinner for 2. And it's really good and spicy.
Oh yeah.
Here's what dinner looks like tonight, and we're gonna cap it off with a Netflix show before working. Our laundry still hasn't arrived, which is mildly concerning, but you know, we can go figure out what's going on in the morning. Sounds like a problem for tomorrow us.
We are going to finish the delicious food and wrap up this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you tomorrow. Bye!
Bye.